Hello everyone and welcome back to Turban Outfitter. It's Manveer again, and today's video is going to be about the spirit of giving. So holiday time, as we all know, is a time when we all give gifts, but we all know those few gifts that stay in the kitchen and they never see the light of day. I'm talking about the pot of gold, the fruit cakes, all that stuff that is kind of inedible. So today I'm going to show you guys 3 easy edible gifts you guys can make at home today and gift to your loved ones, and they'll actually enjoy them. So without further ado, let's get started. First, we're going to start off with this fudge. So here I have 2 cups of semi-sweet chocolate chips, and I'm going to go ahead and melt these over a double boiler. And if you don't know what a double boiler is, it's basically boiling water, then you put a bowl on top of that so the chocolate melts at a nice and mild temperature. And then once you have your melted chocolate, I'm going to add an entire can of sweetened condensed milk, and I'm going to stir that together. And then I'm going to pour it into a pre-prepared baking dish that has been lined with parchment paper. And so half of this I'm going to top with crushed candy canes, and half of it I'm going to top with chopped pistachios. So once that's done, you're going to stick this in the fridge, ideally overnight, and then you can cut it into pieces and it will look absolutely amazing. And you can create little paper packages like this one. I'll include the template I found for this down below, and you can put a piece or 2 in it, and if you guys are having a party, it's a perfect favor for your guests. This next piece is something I loved to give my teachers in high school. This will only work if the person you're giving this to is not brown. If you give this gift to a brown person, they're gonna look at you like, I already know how to make cha. So basically you're including all the ingredients you need to make cha into a envelope. I created this envelope, and I'm gonna include the template down below that I found online. So I printed out the template and I printed a design on the back, and I am creating this envelope, and I'm just popping in ingredients that I use to make cha. So I'm going to include some dalchini or cinnamon bark, and then I'm going to include lechi, which is cardamom, long, which is the cloves. So here is some salt and joanne, which is fennel seeds, and I don't know what joanne is called in English. I'm not including sugar. I want people to be able to add sugar to their taste. So you take these ingredients and you just pop them in the envelope and you seal the envelope up. And I like to include this in a Christmas card. And in the Christmas card, I add instructions on how to use this jaw pouch. And I'll include the instructions I include down below in this description box. And yeah, so you have a nice and easy gift you can give to your coworkers, your teachers, your boss, and it's really nice and simple, and people love it. Last but not least, we're going to be doing this cute peppermint hot chocolate with marshmallows. So here I have an empty jar that I have cleaned out, and into it I'm going to be adding my favorite hot chocolate mix. There's nothing too scientific about it. In hindsight, I should have used a funnel, but I'll just clean that up later. And then on top, I'm gonna add a small layer of crushed candy canes. I'm gonna top that up with some marshmallows, and I'm gonna screw the lid on, and I decorated the lid with just a small bowl from the dollar store and a mini candy cane. And you can pop this in a stocking, you can give it to your coworkers. It's nice and simple, yet it is absolutely cute and people absolutely love it, and it's gonna get used. So I hope you guys found that useful, and I hope you guys will use some of these ideas this year. Leave me a comment down below if you have any other ideas I could include in these edible gifts. And make sure you guys share with your friends, your coworkers, your loved ones, that one auntie that keeps giving you pot of gold, even though you've made several hints that you don't like pot of gold. So like, comment, share, subscribe. Make sure you guys check out the playlist. I'll link it down below, and have yourselves a great day.